Our company comes from Guangdong Province, China, mainly produces beauty equipment, household appliances, and personal care beauty equipment products, slimming equipment, light therapy beauty mask, laser hair removal equipment, nail products, and so on. About 200 employees work in the workshop. Public production covers an area of 3,500 square meters. With large equipment processing and production capacity, complete industrial chain, the overall strength is far ahead in the same industry. Every product goes through complete trial and error and testing to make sure it works when it gets to the customer. The normal products after testing are packed according to different transportation methods and put into the warehouse to ensure that they are correct before leaving the factory. The design and development team, which is composed of well-educated and experienced R&D personnel, can better meet the needs of customers. Professional sales and after-sales service personnel, so that customers are more satisfied, and finally hope that we have a happy cooperation.